Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Simone Brielle. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We're going to hop right into the video. I'm going straight in with primer. This is the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. I really like this primer. It smells like watermelon, it makes your skin dewy, it's affordable, and it has a really nice grip to it. So when a foundation, or not a foundation, but a primer has a really nice grip to it, it's going to adhere to your foundation and make it last all day. The foundation I went in was the NYX Born to Glow foundation. I really like this foundation also. It has a really nice coverage, it makes my skin dewy, and it's also super affordable. I believe it is under $10. So I would definitely recommend picking this up if you are interested in trying a new foundation. The concealer I went in with was the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer, and I picked this up with my Ulta haul, and I really like it. I'm really glad I decided to use it. It's super creamy, and it has a nice color to it. And I'm blending that out with my Juno & Co. microfiber sponge. This sponge is really interesting. It has a velvety texture to it, and I believe that they advertise it as because the texture of the sponge, it helps your products like your concealer or your foundation be more full coverage. Then I set the face with the Too Faced Peach Perfect setting powder in the shade Caramelized Peach. It smells so good. But I really like this powder. It doesn't dry my skin out. I like the shade of it. They also do have a translucent shade, so if your skin tone is lighter than mine, or if you would like something that's like a little bit more brighter under your eyes, then I would recommend using the translucent one. It's pretty much identical to the Caramelized Peach, it's just the shade's different. Next, I'm going to add bronzer and contour my face using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. I really like this. It's super affordable. Black Radiance, they're very inclusive, and you can find them almost anywhere. Like in my area, they're at Kroger, they're also at Walmart. It's just overall a really good brand. I did do my eyebrows off camera, so in this next clip, you're going to see me start my eyeshadow. The eyeshadow palette that I decided to use was the NYX Modern Dreamer palette. This palette's really pretty. It's super colorful. I took that lighter brown shade and I threw that in my crease. Then next I'm going in with a deeper brown shade in the palette, and I'm going to focus that shade in my outer V. I didn't know what look to go for, but I knew I kind of wanted to cut my crease. But by this point I decided to do a halo eye, and I put concealer not on my entire eyelid, but in the middle of my eye, which is going to give that halo look. And I used the ColourPop concealer. I'm just blending that to get the desired shape that I would like. Next, I'm taking this really pretty turquoise shade and I'm putting that everywhere that I put the concealer. I'm really just packing that in, trying to get it as bright and vibrant as possible. It is a really pigmented shade. I gotta give NYX that. Then I'm taking that dark brown shade and I'm just putting that in my inner corner and on my outer V to get that halo eye appearance. And at this point, I'm just going back and forth between that dark brown and then that turquoise blue. And once I get the desired look I'm going for, I decided to go in with that very first shade and just put that at the top of my crease just to make sure there aren't any harsh lines. Then I decided to throw on some eyeliner. I used the Maybelline Eye Studio Master Precise Liquid Eyeliner. This is a really good liner. It's really pigmented, very black. It's very easy to use, so I definitely recommend using it. Then I throw on some falsies. These are my falsies from Amazon. I also took that dark brown shade and I threw it on my lower lash line. Then I decided I still wanted a little bit more color, so I decided to use the LA Girl Shockwave liner, and it's in a really pretty blue shade. The only thing I didn't really like about this liner was that I had to keep going back and forth on my waterline, and that was really starting to irritate my eyes. Nonetheless, very pretty eyeliner. Then I took a big fluffy brush and I was blending those two colors together. Next, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I love this highlighter. So good. It doesn't emphasize texture at all. I got it on sale at Ulta for $20, which is a really good deal. I also took the highlighter that I used and I put that in my inner corner, and I also put it under my brow bone to emphasize like my eyebrow. Next, I'm going in with mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. This is a really good mascara. It's better than a lot of high-end mascaras, and I believe it's $4.99. Then I set my face again with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush setting powder. And I say it in every video, but this makes it look like you have a filter on your skin. I don't know if you can really tell, but it is like a really dramatic difference. It really gets rid of any texture on your face. That's why I like it so much. Then I decided to line my lips with the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Cold Brew. This is really good for outlining my lips, for anybody my shade, or even with a deeper skin tone. And if you have a really light or fair skin tone, I think this would be really good as a fall shade. The lipstick I went in with was the NYX Shout Loud Satin Lipstick, but when I was looking for the shade, it had rubbed off. So I'm not really sure what the shade is, but it's like a really, really nude color. Then I decided to throw on some lip gloss. And the lip gloss that I went in with is the Fenty Universal Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy. This is a really good lip gloss. And then you could just tell I'm really feeling myself. This look turned out really pretty. If you like this look, please give this video a big thumbs up once again and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time.